Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time we're making a delicious cake with some custard that's gonna be flavored with some coffee. I'm gonna serve it with some beautiful cherries along with some cherry sauce. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all, what we're gonna do is obviously grab a bowl like this one. So in goes the butter, the sugar. Just gonna mix this in. Once mixed in, we're gonna add 3 eggs. Give this a really good mix. Add in the milk, vanilla extract. A good mix to this again. And it's very important to sift the flour so we don't get any lumps in the cake. Add in the flour with the help of your hand. Just sift that in. Pinch of salt. Give this a really good mix. Touch of butter in there. Okay. Make things easier for yourself. We got this parchment paper here. I'm just gonna align that in there. Nice and easy. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius, 185. So the mixture is ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna add this straight into this. Amazing. Look at that. Few taps. As you can see, there's some bubbles in there. Remove any bubbles at 180 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. So for the custard, we need some egg yolks first. In that, I'm just gonna add a bit of sugar. We're gonna cream this together. Now to make the custard a bit thicker, we're gonna use corn flour. And just again, give it a good mix. For the flavor, we're gonna add a touch of vanilla extract and some coffee. Give this a good mix. Bring it to a simmer on low medium heat. Alright guys, you can see the milk is simmering, so what I'm gonna do is just this mixture into there and mix it, yeah? Just let it cook for around 2 minutes. Keep mixing it nice and slow on gentle heat. It's getting nice and thick. Gonna cook it for another 15 seconds and it's all done. Just let it cool down. Alright guys, the cake is done. I'm gonna take the cake out. Just nice and slow. Easy. Remove the parchment paper. Look at that. Amazing, alhamdulillah. The moment of truth. Look at that cake. I'm just gonna cut it into round shape. Cut the cake into 2. Got here some cherries. And of course we got our custard in here. What I did is I put it in a jug and I'll let it chill in the fridge. Let's start assembling our dessert. I'm gonna add the cake in. Slide that in. Add a bit of that custard. Get a bit of those cherries. Add them in. A bit of that cherry sauce in there. Just a little bit. Bit more cherries. Here I've got another dessert glass cakes. I'm just gonna add them in. Add that in nice and slow. Not too much. Get another cherry. Add it there. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Alhamdulillah, looks delicious. Look at it. Amazing. It's nice and chilled. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a bit more custard in there. Here I got my beautiful custard, coffee flavored. Look at that. Amazing. Bismillah. Wow, so good. Wow. Those cherries, the coffee flavored custard, and perfectly cooked cake. Oh, so good, man. Cameraman, that's some for you. Take some. Wow. Nice? Alhamdulillah, so good. I just had my iftar, and this is a perfect way to finish, your day. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.